Hey everyone, Dimitri here from uPVC.com.au, day 13, 9th of December 2023. So today we're doing one trim window at the far end on the corner. We're going to do 20/40 on the sides with the quad on top. Finish off with this one. Okay, 20/40 applied, quad applied. As you can see, I'm going to fill this top gap here with MS polymer next, but I've got to leave now because customers got dinner, so it's 5 o'clock. So I have to finish this another day. But yeah, that's at the moment, that's what it looks like. Cord on the bottom, can't really see it, can you? Not too much shade. Yeah, cord on the bottom. I'm going to fix all this up with white MS polymer to make it all seamless. But yeah, that's the finished.